Welcome to SKT Engineering. In this lecture, we will discuss what is project and how projects are managed by using softwares. Primavera P6 is one of the best softwares available used for project management. A project is made up of a group of interrelated work activities constrained by a specific scope, budget, and schedule to deliver capital assets needed to achieve the strategic goals of an agency. A set of interrelated actions and activities that are performed to achieve a pre-specified set of products, results, or services is known as a project. A project is temporary with a definite beginning and an end, which means that a project has a definite starting date and a finishing date. A project creates a unique product, service, or result. It is executed for a purpose, which means that it has only one goal. A project has interrelated activities. It consumes human and non-human resources, which are money, people, and equipment. There will always be a level of uncertainty associated with a project, which is known as risk. Construction of a building is an example of a project. Primavera is an enterprise project portfolio management software. Primavera was launched in 1983 by Primavera Systems, which was acquired by Oracle Corporation in 2008. Primavera mainly includes project management, scheduling, risk analysis, opportunity management, and resource management. Project portfolio management, which is known as PPM, is the centralized management of the processes, methods, and technologies used by project managers and project management offices, known as PMOs, to analyze and collectively manage current or proposed projects based on numerous key characteristics. The objectives of PPM are to determine the optimal resource mix for delivery and to schedule activities to best achieve an organization's operational and financial goals, while honoring constraints imposed by customer strategic objectives or external real-world factors. Oracle's Primavera P6 Enterprise Project Portfolio Management, known as EPPM, is the most powerful, robust, and easy to use solution for prioritizing, planning, managing, and evaluating projects, programs, and portfolios. With the Primavera P6 EPPM, project managers can be confident that their projects and programs are aligned with company's strategic objectives. Primavera P6 is used for planning, monitoring, and controlling projects. Project data is stored in a central database and can be accessed via a client server and the web. Capabilities of Primavera P6 includes enterprise-wide project management, resource management, and portfolio analysis. Portfolio means a collection of investment all owned by the same individual or organization. Portfolio analysis is the process of reviewing or accessing the elements of the entire portfolio of securities or products in a business. The ultimate purpose of planning is to build a model that allows you to predict which activities and resources are critical to the timely completion of the project. Strategies may then be implemented to ensure that these activities and resources are managed properly, thus ensuring that the project will be delivered both on time and within the budget. Construction project schedule. A work schedule is required for any type of project regardless of whether it is small or large to estimate the completion date of the project and the project task. Therefore, it is good decision to create a schedule before the beginning of a project. This is an example of a construction project schedule, which includes activity ID, activities, and duration of each activity. The phase 1 includes foundation, which means construction of a foundation. Foundation includes activities like clearing, digging, lean, and compaction. The duration of activity for clearing is 2 days, and for digging is 5 days, and so on. Similarly, the second work breakdown structure is superstructure, which means it is the second phase and includes activities like columns, beams, walls. The phase 3 includes WBS finishing, which includes activities plastering, plumbing, electrical, and paint. A work breakdown structure WBS in project management and systems engineering is a deliverable oriented breakdown of a project into smaller components. It is a key project deliverable that organizes the team's work into manageable sections. Despite its name, WBS does not involve breakdown of work. It involves breaking down of deliverables. A deliverable is an element of output within the scope of a project. It is the result of objective focused work completed within the project process. A work breakdown structure defines all the things a project needs to accomplish, organized into multiple levels and displayed graphically. According to PMBOK, a deliverable-oriented hierarchical decomposition of the work to be executed by the project team to accomplish the project objectives and create the required deliverables. Similarly, according to the Association of Project Management, they say a WBS is a hierarchical structure of things that the project will make or outcomes that it will deliver. Work breakdown structure does not describe any actions. Instead, every term is a noun describing an end product. This is one of the fundamental features of a WBS. It describes deliverables, not the activities necessary to get there. For example, for constructing a home, you will include items such as superstructure, which is a deliverable, not constructing walls, because constructing walls is an activity. Constructing columns, beams, etc. is also an activity. An activity is typically one stage of a project management plan. Each activity consists of one or more actions that upon completion will lead to the next project stage. Taken together as a series, the activities will result in the final deliverable. For example, digging, compaction, walls construction, plastering, plumbing, etc. are examples of activities. Watch our next video in which we will discuss the interface of Primavera P6. After that, we will create a project in Primavera P6 Professional. So stay updated.